Hello and welcome back to Operation Stormy Weather. This is Nafui here with the British Alliance turn 20. I'll start with China turn 19, which is spring. So they got 4 rounds to do stuff. They'll send that into there, along with this into UNAN. And that's it. Got 6 nice in Xinjiang at 1. No hits, no retreats. Defense at a 4. Gets a hit. I can do this more efficiently. There we go. Round 2. Get a hit. And no retreats. And we can go down here. I have 2 first strike at 2. Nope. 2 cavalry at 2. Let's do retreats. And then 3 more cavalry at 1. It's another retreat. That sucks. Defense at 1. Nothing. And then I've got 4 2s. Gets a hit. If it's even, it was the artillery. Even artillery retreats. Gets the hit. And his defense at 1. Misses. Take Yunnan back. Guess I should have showed their purchase. They're spending 8 to place 3 units. And they'll pick up 9. They're also moving their ships. 1, 2. In case this sub wants to engage, I'll roll that. Sub engage. Gets a hit. And TBD back. Miss. Cruiser back. Hits. So I'll message to see if you want to engage. This goes to Szechuan. This can go to Suyen. One goes and 1 walks. 1's placed here. And that's China. They pick up 9. And then it's the British. I guess I never actually finished their purchase. If they can flip one of those for that adds 1 to 65. Actually, yeah, that's it. We'll do that. That's that. That's that. That is for that. Okay, that's it there. Spends all their money. Also rolled tech on Discord. Got that done, and they're sharing radar with the Japanese. And yeah, that's it. Purchase has been laid out. Combat moves. They've got a couple big ones. They're taking this 5th fleet with only 2 transports. Going 1, 2. Going 1, 2, 3. Going around anything that can engage. And the whole 17th is going to Honshu with a retinue of bombardments. And he has said he would like to scramble these in. Fighter and the jet to fight the 17th. That's a fun fight. Air forces should die. That's a big one. Another one that's French over here. A couple other ones. 3 units to New Orleans, along with a transport taking a Marine and then 2 Marines in Texas. This will go down. Actually, it'll be everything but this. The whole 4th Fleet, minus the transports. So that's 3 bombardments, yes, minus the aircraft. And then the other attack is going in to fight the newly placed units in here with all the aircraft supporting a ground assault. And everything else is not used yet. And then also we're sending the 88th in with just the aircraft will join in the British Midlands. And that's it. Let's start with the big one down here. I'm going into mountainous terrain, amphibiously assaulting, so the infantry can't retreat, but should get a lot of damage to the aircraft. Fighter, 2 fighters, medium bomber, tactical bomber, strategic bomber, colonials, mech, jet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Oh, I also have bombardments, which is 4 at 2. 4 at 2, bombarding. Nope, and then 1 at 1. Nope, no bombardments. Let me go check these. We both have fighter bombers. All land and air units, target selecting. At 3 or less, so 8. 1, 2, 3. 2 of them are target selects, so it'll be 1, 2, 3 for the air superiority. 6s. Another target select and another air superiority. And then the 1s miss. And then his return fire. Please, not too painful. Okay, 8. Miss. 6s. 1 hit, which is air superiority, but no target select. 5s, the red is the one with target select. Gets 1 hit. 4s. 2 more. 3, or 2s. Nothing. So he's got 1, 2, 3, and an air superiority. 3 and plane. Where I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I moved them as I went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is great. And then I will press jets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should wipe the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I escape with only jets. But I wipe out his force. And the jets all land in Tokyo. That was exciting, to say the least. Okay, let's go to New Orleans. Also bombardments. The battleship will go into New Orleans. At 4. Nope. And then a marine at 3. And 3 infantry at 2. Gets a hit. His defense, both at 2 at 4. Target select doesn't really matter. Gets a hit. And then 3 at 2 versus 1 at 4. Miss. Round 3. Gets a hit for each. Boom, boom. Taking those out. New Orleans is more money for the British. Plus 1. Down 1. And then New Orleans is 2 at 3 versus 1 at 2. Miss. Also 2 for, cruisers bombarding. Miss. Okay, round 2. Everything's at 2. Miss. And I'm gonna go until someone gets a hit. Okay, 1 each. Texas is another $2. And then we've got this fight, which is, I want to put it on the battle board. That'll help me track what's going. Yes, terrain penalty. I'm moving through a mountain. Moving into a mountain. Or across a mountain border. That's what it is. Okay, so first striker first. 2 at 3. Gets a hit. On a cavalry. And 2 at 4 defending. Get a hit back on a marine. 2 at 2. Miss. 6 and 2 8s. Two hits, and one of them is target select, which will target select the tank, and its air superiority as well. And then his defense, 2s and 4s. Oh, that's actually not all that it rolls. 1, 2. He's got another 2 from the strat bomber. Miss. And a 5 from the tank. Miss. So he got 2 hits. And I got 2 hits. Well, we both got 3 hits. I will save the artillery and retreat. With the artillery into DC. Big thing is I took out the bomber. That's what really mattered. This 28th is going to end up in DC. I'll just put units there for now. That's that fight. Okay, then non-combat, these guys move up. Here, let's do the 28th. 28th is hopping on 1, 2, 3 transports, taking these units to DC. These 2 gentlemen walk up. These up on the transports as well. And okay, that's the 28th sitting in DC. Not bad. Should hold for now. This carrier. Probably doesn't actually go down there. This crew will sit here. Oh, I've got to roll this. Jet attacking. Another jet gets the hit. Defense. Miss. Goes back. Puts me up 3 more. Down 3. I'm pretty sure the admins are gone. I'm surprised they're still there. Transports will stay. The unused transports. I think I'm going to keep the... No, I don't need to keep the carriers. These will go in port in DC. Get an import marker. Oh, the British are also supposed to be sinking this. Lovely. Transport. And pre-dread. Let's do this pre-dread fight. 6 versus 2 4s. Sorry about that. Pause the recording. Both sides get a hit. Pre-dread for pre-dread. And then the British are pretty much done. That goes in port. This will join the 32nd, along with my place units. 2 more infantry join. here in the factory. This goes to home country, joins the 88th. This is for DC. Two in New England, two in New York, militias to Garrison, and defend DC. And then this jet can go to the Philippines. And collect 67. Plus no trade. Okay, that's the British. Now it's the French. They're buying that. Plus 1 cavalry for 8 out of 9, so, and they'll pick up 9, so I'm putting them up plus a buck if they even survive. The question is, will they be able to take back whatever that is with 6 units? Corsica. 6 at 1 versus 2 at 4. It's a gamble. Six at 1 versus 2 at 4. 6 at 1 gets a hit. It's a good start. 2 at 4. Both miss, that's great. 6 at 1. Miss. 2 at 4. Miss. 6 at 1 for round 3. Miss. 2 at 4. Gets a hit. But that is round 3. The French failed to capture Corsica. Which means at the end of the French turn, all of their stuff disappears. Which the big impact is in Constantinople. That's rough. I think I may have just taken, yeah, I definitely did just take Russia. Any more French? Oh, this flies over to the Philippines. Yeah, more French. No French boats. Yes, French boats. French. They're everywhere. The French surrender. This will go back up here. Wiping their money, and they're done. On to Italy. They're buying 1 camel, and they are attacking Syria. Okay. 3 at 2. Plus 2 at 1. Versus 1 at 4. 3 at 2 and 2 at 1. Gets the hit. Versus 1 at 4. Gets a hit. It'll take a colonial. Italy picks up 3. Places, well, these all run to where they need to. I'm really bummed that France is gone. Okay. And then Japan repairs a airbase and builds militia for 5 out of 6. Moves their fleet to join with these. It's a very unified defense up here. Militia, along with that's repaired. I'm gonna walk a colonial into Korea. Nope, I'll walk a cavalry into Korea. Up 2, USA's down 2. And that's it for Japan. I think they're just following the British. Pick up 11 plus 1 save for 12, I believe. For 12, yep, they also do have a tech roll, which they'll roll 4 bombers. They get it, so they get a free air transport. And that is it for Japan. That's it for my British Alliance. Thanks for watching.